everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a spread for Intro Persona because today is the 1-year anniversary of this song, which is kind of crazy honestly, because like part of me feels like this song came out so long ago, and also part of me feels like it just recently came out. But yeah, so I'm still really behind on some of my other spreads, but I just wanted to insert this spread in here because I saw lots of people posting for 1 year with Persona today on Twitter, and I just really wanted to celebrate this song as well. So this is another music video that was hard for me to come up with like a solid color scheme for the spread because there's a lot of different scenes with different colors. So I decided to just print off the pictures that I wanted to use and then try to go from there and sort of like pull out colors that seem to be sort of an overall theme of the spread, which sometimes does not work out, but in this case I feel like it did end up working out. But I mean, you guys be the judge. Let me know what you think. So I recently got some new washi tape, so I was really excited to use, I think the black and white triangle one is a new one, and that one I just put down as a new one. All of the solid ones I've had for a while, and I feel like I'm getting bored of just having the solid colors. Like, they were a pretty good starting point, but now that I use washi tape a lot, I really want to kind of expand my collection. But washi tape can sometimes be expensive, so what I kind of do is I look out for sales at like craft stores and stuff. Or this set I actually bought on Amazon, and it was like came like in a pretty large set with like a bunch of sort of like earthy tones and stuff like that. So I was excited to be able to use those in this spread. So I started to put down this "Who the hell am I" thing that I made, and then I realized that it wasn't going to work out the way I wanted to because I really wanted the lettering that said Persona to go across both pages, and that would kind of prevent it from doing that. And so I decided to kind of nix that idea. I thought about making another one, but I also, looking back on the music video, even though he says like "Who the hell am I" in the song, the stuff in the background just says "Who am I?" Like "Who am I? Who am I? Who am I?" Like it says it over and over a lot. So I kind of decided I wanted to do that instead. So I just nixed that. It was kind of a waste of that little piece of paper that I had, but that's okay. Sometimes it's just trial and error making spreads and just figuring out what works and what doesn't. Also, I don't know why I bother to plan out the size of my lettering because it literally always ends up bigger than I plan for it to, and I just have to make it work. Also, this lettering is kind of like a softer version of the edgy lettering that I've been doing a lot that I learned from Keynotes. So I wanted it to be like sort of edgy, like to kind of look like hand drawn or like kind of like just like scribbled, but I didn't want it to look like too scribbly. I don't know. I just wanted it to look a little bit more solid, I guess is the right word, than the edgy lettering that I've done previously. And I think I achieved that. I ended up really liking this lettering a lot. So a year ago when this song and music video came out, I was actually in Disney World with my best friend Alex, and we were on the bus to go to the Animal Kingdom when this dropped, or I can't remember if it had literally just dropped or we had just noticed it dropped. I think it literally just dropped, and we actually watched it on the bus on the way to the Animal Kingdom. So everybody around us got to hear Intro Persona for the first time that day. And I just listened to this song a lot when it first came out. Like, I loved it. I'm really excited to be able to see it live. I know that the concerts have been postponed in North America, but I really can't wait to see it live. I love this song so much. So anyway, this is the final spread. I really like how this turned out, especially since this is one I just like sort of made on a whim. Yeah, I like it a lot. So if you guys like this video and you like the spread, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.